Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian puff puff. This is super soft and delicious as well, and you want to enjoy it while it's still very hot, trust me. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And here are my ingredients, okay? And you can check the caption for the accurate measurement I use for this recipe, okay? And to a bowl I'll be adding all-purpose flour, then I'll add yeast, and the next I'll be adding is sugar. I'm using quarter cup of sugar here. You can use more, and I would advise that you use less, okay? So now I'm adding my nutmeg milk flavor, and you want to mix that to combine, all right? So just mix till it's nicely, well incorporated, okay? Now I'm going to add evaporated milk. You can skip that if you don't want, okay? But you can if you can, okay? If you get what I mean. So now I'm adding water to that as well. But if you're not adding evaporated milk, you should use 1.5 cup of water, because I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour for this recipe. Okay, so you can use at least at most 1.5 cup of water will be enough for this. So this is me adding my water gradually, but I ended up not using up to 1.5 because of the evaporated milk I added earlier. Alright. But if you're not adding milk, so please you can. Then next you're going to mix it very well till it's smooth, just like this texture you are seeing on the screen. Then I'm going to scrape the edges just to get that smooth, look. Then I'm going to cover that to proof for the next 40 to 1 hour. And after 1 hour, guys, because this actually stayed for up to 1 hour. So this is me checking back on it, and this is what we have. Our dough is ready to be what? To be fried, all right? So you just want to mix that, to take out the bubbles like the hair in the dough. Okay, so and that's what I just did. So you just want to scoop. I think you see what I did just now with my hand. You can go back if you did not see it. So now you just want to add your vegetable oil. I like to be hot but not extremely hot, just medium, you know so that you don't get your dough burnt, and you don't want that, right? So this is me scooping it, one after the other. Then I just want to then you're just going to go ahead to turn it, like flip it over. Sometimes this puff puff can be very stubborn, okay, but you just have to keep flipping till you get the desired consistency you want, okay. And now it's nicely fried, okay, and this is me scooping them out, and this is another batch, okay. So yeah, your puff puff is ready right now. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you like this. Please do well to like, subscribe, follow if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.